Hi, I'm Tom with BFID channel, and in this quick tip I will show you what to do when Autodesk services are down and you cannot use or manage your cloud product such as Autodesk Docs, Autodesk BIM Collaborate or Autodesk Build. There's not much you can do because these products are fully running on servers rented by Autodesk. The obvious first check that you should perform is internet connection check. If you are connected, you can go to health.autodesk.com webpage, which shows the status of Autodesk's web services. If the service is down, you should see it in this list, but be mindful that there are different servers for the same product in the US and Europe. If the service is down, hopefully also information about expected repair time will be shown. You can also see expected maintenance outages in the list. I will link this page in the description box below. If you don't see outage in your cloud product and it is still not working on your side, then it is time to contact your support. If you are relying on cloud services from Autodesk, and you would like to be informed about problems as soon as possible, you can subscribe to the updates and they will be sent to your email address automatically. This is the end of my public service announcement, and I will see you in the next video.